Good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss about the subject IS. So as we already know ISCD stands for Information System and Engineering Economics. So we discuss about the first two letters in the very first unit, that is information system. So, as in the last lecture, in the previous lecture, we have discussed about the term MIS, Management Information System. So, we know about the term MIS. Today, we are going to discuss about the topic on unit number 2, that is the ethical and social issues. So, according to your syllabus, unit number 2, we are going to discuss about the topic ethical and social issues. So, today's topic is ethical and so let me share some PPTs. We will discuss on that points. So it's a theoretical topic. The topic is ethical and social issues in the information system, and the unit name is management of information system. So what is the management of information system? That is we discussed in the last, that is yesterday's video. तो एमआईएस क्या होता है वो हम लोग जान चुके हैं. इट इज एन इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम एंड वी नीड टू मैनेज इट प्रॉपर्ली as there is a huge database, because data handling is a big problem nowadays. Data creation is not a problem. We already know that data is get created in a tremendous amount continuously. Your Facebook, your WhatsApp, social medias, all are creating the data, email data, text data, videos, image data. So lot of amount of data is created. Information is getting shared from one end to another end. Now in case of that we discussed with Amazon and Flipkart, also the information is sharing from the vendor to the clients. As a huge amount of information sharing is happening in the market, so it needs to manage properly so that the end user can access data in a quick way, in a fast way. So that is the two keywords we have discussed, that is the right information and at a quick response. So one thing we have discussed, that is the so you must get a right information with a quick response. So that is we have discussed about the management of information system. Now today we are going to discuss about the topic ethical and social issues. So what are the different ethical and social issues are there? Okay, so in case of information system, when we are sharing some information, when we are discussing some information, when we are creating some data, जैसे कि बात करते हैं हम लोग ट्विटर की, as you are type something in the Twitter, you are tweeting something, so you should take care about the ethical and social issues. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आप ट्वीट कर रहे हो तो आप क्या ट्वीट कर रहे हो, इसका सोसाइटी पे क्या इम्पेक्ट होने वाला है, कुछ इथिक्स होते हैं उन्हें आपको फॉलो करना चाहिए. जैसे कि when we talk about the politicians, when we talk about the Bollywood actress, when they tweet something, then it implies on to the large peoples, to the so huge amount of value to the huge society. So when you are tweeting something, when you are discussing something on social media, तो आपको इस बात का ख्याल रखना चाहिए कि ये बहुत लोगों तक पहुंच रहा है. तो आपको सोशल इश्यूज के बारे में सोचना चाहिए, ethical issues के बारे में सोचना चाहिए. There are some ethics, there are some social issues. We need to take care about these points. Okay. अगर आप कुछ भी ट्वीट कर रहे हो, इफ यू आर अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन इन द सोसाइटी एंड यू आर ट्वीटिंग समथिंग, यू आर टाइपिंग एंड शेयरिंग व्हाट्सएप डेटा जो कि किसी के खिलाफ है या फिर इट इज नॉट रिलेटेड, इट इज हर्ट टू द सम पीपल्स, ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल्स, देन इट मे क्रिएट problems in the society. So while sharing the data in an information system, while handling data in the information system, we should take care of the ethical issues and we should take care of the social issues. There are some headings that are given in your syllabus. So I'm going to share that PPTs. So according to these PPTs, we are going to discuss about this topic. So ethical issues are related to the privacy, workplace monitoring, and use of power. It means that if you have at some position, you are working at some position, then you are a responsible person in the society. So you should take care of these points, ethical issues के बारे में और social issues के बारे में आपको सोचना चाहिए. Means in a simple way, you should take care of some ethics while discussing, while chatting, while sharing the data. Second thing is that it includes privacy of individual work-related practices such as sending emails and browsing are also visible to the organization. So if you are mailing some data, you are doing email conversation with someone through your organization. अगर मैं कॉलेज के थ्रू किसी को ईमेल कर रहा हूँ, तो आई शुड टेक केयर दैट आई एम द रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन एंड आई एम रिप्रेजेंटिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर कॉलेज. तो जब भी आप ईमेल कर रहे हो तो आपको प्राइवेसी के बारे में, इंडिविजुअल प्राइवेसी के बारे में, ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल रूल्स रेगुलेशंस के बारे में, प्राइवेसी के बारे में ख्याल रखना चाहिए. You take care about that privacy of the individual while sharing and sending emails and browsing also. Workplace monitoring often relies monitoring enforces discipline behavior. System professionals in organization enjoy power over information system, user and ethical issues and how they influence to the others. So in a simple way, whenever you are sharing data, whenever you are discussing some information via your organization, you should follow the privacy policy of that organization, of that industry, of that institution. Second, in case of ethical systems are used by people in organization and in society, the use of this system follows the norms. So you should follow the norms. Ethics are publicly accepted rules, behavior for social engagement. So ethical issues की जब हम बात करते हैं, when we are discussing about the ethical issues, so what is ethics means? In a simple way, it is a publicly accepted rules. हम कहते हैं ना कि इसको ethics मतलब तत्व, तो पब्लिकली एक्सेप्टेड रूल्स, एक सोसाइटी में हमें रहना है तो कुछ इथिक्स फॉलो करने पड़ते हैं। एक कॉमन वर्क कल्चर में आपको काम करना है, यू आर वर्किंग इन सम कॉमन वर्क कल्चर, तो वहाँ के इथिक्स आपको फॉलो करने हैं। यू शुड वियर द टाई, यू शुड वियर द यूनिफॉर्म्स लाइक वाइज। सो इट इज द पब्लिकली एक्सेप्टेड रूल्स ऑफ बिहेवियर फॉर सोशल एंगेजमेंट. So what is the privacy? Information systems are used widely across organizations and they enable data information likely to widely distributed. Data information of individual could be sensitive nature. Some examples such kind of data you should not share to the unauthorized access. तो ये वर्ड यहाँ पे इम्पोर्टेंट है कि प्राइवेसी पॉलिसीज होती है हर इंस्टीट्यूट की, इवन इन द इंडिविजुअल पर्सन की भी प्राइवेसी पॉलिसी होती है. तो व्हेन यू आर working with someone or some institution or an organization or the industry, you should take care of their privacy. Some unauthorized users access will not be allowed. You should not leak the data or you should not share information of your institution with unauthorized people. So that is a privacy you need to take care of. So workplace monitoring, this is the important point again in the topic of ethical issues. Workplace monitoring has been one of the most contentious and prevalent management practice. When the workers are monitored in their workplace, they are required to conform to certain work norms, such as efficiently they work and how they behave with the co-workers. This point comes under the social issues. कोई सोशल इश्यूज आप एक कॉमन सोसाइटी में एक कॉमन वर्क कल्चर में काम कर रहे तो देयर शुड नॉट बी अराइज एनी सोशल इश्यूज. फॉर दैट यू शुड monitor the nature of your workers, about their behaviors with their co-workers. So these are the things we need to take care. From the management perspective, monitoring supervision aimed at improving and productivity, earning and moral of the workers. मैनेजमेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू अगर देखा जाए, when we talk about the management point of view, the management should continuously monitor to their workers. Management should continuously encourage to their workers for more and more productivity. Type of workplace monitoring. So when we talk about the workplace monitoring, जैसे कि आप कहीं पे काम कर रहे हो तो वहाँ पे आज के डिजिटल कैमराज लगाए जाते हैं to monitor the workplace environment. So use of digital video cameras, use of computer networks, scanning and storage of all incoming and outgoing mails through the institution, through the organization. तो जब भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर हो रही है तो उसका एक बैकअप रखना, उसका एक स्टोरेज रखना. यूज ऑफ एम्प्लॉय आइडेंटिटी कार्ड. सो अनऑथराइज एक्सेस नहीं होना चाहिए इंस्टीट्यूशन में, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में. ओनली द ऑथराइज पर्सन कैन इंटरैक्ट. तो इसके लिए देयर शुड बी सम आइडेंटिटी कार्ड्स. Access given to outside agencies, so that should be properly maintained. If you are giving access to the database of your institution data, then that information should be properly managed. Access of files or employees' personal computers and laptops. If you are in your organization, if your employees are sharing data with external world, then that should be under monitoring. So these are the points we should take care. Power, this is the next point regarding to the social issue again. Power over users. For managing the information system in organization, they are hiring system professionals. Due to the important role system professionals play, they have to have power over others. For example, if a user wants to send email with an attached file, she may ask the professional how to do. However, the listen to the professionals. Means whenever you are working at some position in an industry or the organization, then you have some powers. Then under that power you can share some attached files, attached data, and you are sharing that data with the another outside world. Then that power should be to some professionals, so that such kind of operation should be done by the system professionals. In case of social issues are arise when information system create conditions that are different from existing social conditions and situations. तो कोई भी social issue कब arise होता है when there when somebody or some group of peoples are not obeying the pre-decided or existing social conditions and situations. पहले से जो social conditions and situation है उनको follow नहीं किया जाता, obey नहीं किया जाता. If some person is not obeying, some group of peoples are not obeying, then social issues arise. तो ऐसे social issues जब arise हो जाते हैं, मतलब when you are sharing some data, so you should take care of the social issues. व्हाट्सएप पे हमें ध्यान रखना चाहिए. आप एक रिस्पॉन्सिबल ह्यूमन बींग हो, इंडियन सिटीजन हो, so you should take care of that. So workplace behavior and health, resistance and conformity, dislike of the technology, malfunctioning of the technology, fear of new technology, new norms. These are the points that can arise the social issues. So there are, so in a simple way, we should take care about the ethical issues and about the social issues. Because in case of information system, the MIS, when we are talking about the management of information system, there should be some strict rules, there should be some uh, policies, so that the information sharing in the information system should be under one roof. एक रूल्स रेगुलेशन के अंडर सब आना चाहिए. जैसे कि आप फेसबुक पे डेटा शेयर करते हो, व्हाट्सएप पे डेटा शेयर करते हो, लिंक्डइन पे हो, so whatever the information you are giving, that should be correct and right and true. False information sharing is not allowed, and then that if you are sharing, then that arises social issues. We should be always in a environment, we are working in an environment where a person mistake can affect to the lot of people. So जैसे कि बात करते ट्विटर पे हम लोग देखते हैं कि आजकल बॉलीवुड एक्टर्स, एक्ट्रेस और पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स दे आर ट्वीटिंग इन द रॉन्ग वे. तो सोसाइटी में एक मिस इंफॉर्मेशन चली जाती है. तो इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयरिंग ही है, आप इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर कर रहे हो लेकिन आप गलत शेयर कर रहे हो, गलत तरीके से शेयर कर रहे हो, दैट क्रिएट द सोशल इश्यूज. So this is a theoretical topic. I hope you can write the answer properly, because there is always a question about the what are the different ethical and social issues and challenges in an information system. 8 marks question will be there. ऐसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं यहाँ पे. So this is the topic, today's topic, ethical and social issues in information system from 2022. Next topic we will discuss in the next video, that is the information technology, infrastructure and choices. So let's stop for today. Thank you to all of you. Thank you to all.